Engineering is all around us, from the trainers on your feet, to the chips on your plate, or in your computer. But what is engineering?
Can you survive without engineers? Engineers are the lifeblood of business and enterprise. Engineers take knowledge and ideas to solve real problems and come up with artifacts, systems and processes. How do we get a chocolate flake whole into a package? How do we get Weetabix biscuits packed without breaking them or damaging them? Engineering is about questions and finding answers.
Engineering is the art of problem solving for real. An engineer will take scientific, mathematical and design experience to invent systems, new technologies, machinery or materials. Just about anything you can think of will have had the involvement of an engineer. From software engineers to structural engineers. From mechanical engineers to medical engineers. Engineers influence every aspect of your life. From your toothbrush to your iPod. From your clothing to your healthcare. An engineer will have been fundamental to the development of your world. What's more, engineering is an experience that you can be part of. Whatever skills you possess, engineering will have a way to help you apply them. With so many career options, there are literally millions of job opportunities available. Not just in Doncaster, not just in the UK, but internationally. The industry is constantly expanding and changing. There are opportunities for all, up to degree level and beyond. Whatever part of the sector you want to work in, there's a job for you. In the UK alone, there are 382,000 businesses employing 4.3 million people. All this means opportunities and choices for you that start right here in Doncaster. As an industry, we pride ourselves on working together as a team to solve engineering problems creatively, produce cost-effective solutions, and create effective machinery and mechanisms for production. We focus on creating systems for the future that will benefit us all. Within engineering, there are many routes you can take, and right here in Doncaster, you can take your first steps along a career that could take you a long way. Everyone in the industry has a role to play in engineering. Every time a new design is created, a team of engineers has to get together and work on making that idea reality. Teams of engineers could be working on efficiency and stress testing, material handling, or state-of-the-art CNC or CAD systems. Every day is different and challenging. Your day could be full of exciting hands-on experience or perhaps cutting-edge research. The engineering industry is a dedicated and hard-working place. Each person involved possesses skills and qualities that help to provide the best solutions for technology and engineering. Personal learning and thinking skills are a key aspect of the engineering diploma. Communication, numeracy, and good logistical skills are essential traits for any would-be engineer. These functional life skills and the diversity of talents needed to be a creative thinker and engineer are the backbone of the engineering diploma. The ability to think on your feet, problem solve and manage potentially stressful situations on a day-to-day basis is all part of the challenge that could be facing you. With a wide variety of employment opportunities within the industry, you have the potential to develop skills in any number of areas. Areas like motorsports engineering, software engineering, architectural engineering, aeronautical engineering, medical engineering, or even environmental and systems engineering. Your career path could be as diverse as your imagination and talents. Maths and science play a key part in engineering principles, and an interest in ICT and design technology is also a benefit to many engineering and technological roles. This is a big industry, and there are many different levels of academic achievement and on-the-job training available. With the support of the Engineering Diploma in Doncaster, we aim to guide you in the best way possible by supporting your needs and abilities. This means there's a wide variety of jobs and training available post-diploma that you may not have considered. Jobs that have their own sets of rules and responsibilities, as well as opportunities and challenges that require very different skills and experiences. Software engineering may be a virtual reality, but the laws of physics applicable to that program have to have a sound basis in the understanding of scientific and mathematical principles. The challenges for an undergraduate at Sheffield Hallam University are not necessarily the same as those for an apprentice engineer in a large manufacturing company.
I'm an engineer and I work in the world of sport. We work for sporting bodies, elite athletes, and we're trying to develop all sorts of new technology to enhance their performance. We're trying to use engineering to promote sort of athletic excellence, really. I was always fascinated by how things work. I wanted to really understand the world around me, and I'm sure a lot of people want to do that. They want to understand what is it about our environment and how does it interact with us, and trying to just to understand things rather than just taking it that your mobile phone works and you press a button and it happens. I've always wanted to know why it works and how it works, and engineering to me describes all of that, really. Engineering is it's in everything that's around us. If something has been made by man, it's been engineered. A couple of years ago we were working with British Cycling on the design of the bike that was going to be ridden in the Olympic Games, and I guess as an engineer to see that bike do so well in Beijing and to see the British team come back with 9 gold medals was just the most wonderful accolade. I think sometimes if you're at school, you don't always maybe appreciate how important maths can be. It might seem a bit abstract and a bit far removed from real life, but I'll tell you today, as a professional engineer, I have to use maths every day of my working life. As a good engineer, you need to be able to work with different people and draw out their expertise in their different areas. So, for instance, I might need to work with a computer programmer, or I might need to work with a sports physiologist, and you have to be able to work with these people, draw out their expertise, and then try and bring it together. So I guess communication is a real big important thing.
Engineering is a massive industry with a wide range of opportunities available here and around the world, and these opportunities start now. Engineering is looking for a new generation of smart people, problem solvers, creative thinkers, team players, and good communicators. Engineering is for people who are thinking about and creating better futures.
What we said back in 2004 we were going to do was we were going to build the world's first private human-carrying space launch system. We were going to make it safe, and we were going to make it relatively cheap. And that the first market we would be going for was space tourism, and we developed the system as well for other markets, such as taking satellites into space and doing science in space. I think it's going to be a success, and we as a team who are working on it are incredibly proud of the project. And we're also proud that it's actually been, it's a space project that's been developed with a British team, a lot of British engineering know-how, and we did a schools competition for 13 to 14-year-olds last year as part of the national curriculum, and schools could decide if they wanted to enter it to get the chance to go and see the first of these launches. We're now getting 400 schools entering in Britain, and over 40,000 kids actually took part in projects.
There are many routes into engineering, one of which is Doncaster's new engineering diploma. The Diploma in Engineering is a new and exciting route. It offers you the chance to broaden your horizons and be part of a world of opportunities. It is a unique chance to develop skills as well as improving your personal learning and thinking. It aims to make you part of a growth industry employing millions. The diploma also focuses on functional skills, maths, English and ICT, with the inclusion of additional specialist learning, which can be in virtually any subject you like. The engineering diploma helps to create diverse, well-rounded individuals. As we've seen and heard, engineering is all around us. Engineering is what makes the world tick. So, if you've got initiative and drive and the willingness to learn, then an incredible number of opportunities are available. Our engineering diploma really can take you on a journey, and that journey starts right here in Doncaster.